Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own hair rinse for massive hair growth, and it's a very good recipe for a shedding of hair that is falling off. It's very good for weak hair. Also, it adds volume to your hair. Our first ingredient in this wonderful recipe is rice. Rice is rich in vitamins and minerals, which includes amino acids, vitamin B, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Our second ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera is high in provitamin B12 and folic acid, which will help your hair from falling off. The last but not the least is dried plantain leaf. Dried plantain leaf is antiseptic and it also contains antibacterial properties, which helps in protecting your hair from dandruff and flaky scalp. The first thing we'll be doing now is washing our aloe vera and cutting it in small sizes into our kettle. You can use a pot if you wish. Next now is washing our dried plantain leaf. You make sure you wash your dried plantain leaf 2 to 3 times, then squeeze out the water and then transfer it to whatever you are using for the boiling process. I'm using a kettle here. Next now is adding your rice, your white rice. I'm using just a cup of rice, then add 2 cups of water to it. This is what it should look like. The next step now is placing your kettle or your pot on a low heat and leave for 30 minutes to boil. Once it's ready, in a bowl add little water just for dilution and strain the hair rinse into the bowl of water. Now our hair rinse is ready, but what you have to do now is to mix it up and strain once more. Transfer the mixture into a bucket and add extra 2 bowls of water to make it very light. The next step now is washing my hair with the hair rinse using conditioner and shampoo. I'll be using XBC products. After washing off the shampoo, I'll be applying the hair conditioner. After applying the hair conditioner, I'll be combing out my hair and waiting for a minute or 2 before rinsing it off with the hair rinse. After washing my hair, I'm just going to pack my hair with a towel, then comb it out and let it dry naturally. No heat, no air dryer, just combing it out. The next step now is applying my hair oil on my scalp. I'll be starting from my front hairline, then dividing my hair into 4 sections and applying it all on my scalp only. My hair oil is a combination of aloe vera oil and coconut oil. After that, I'll be combing out my hair and then styling it. You can simply unroll your hair if you wish. So guys, that is all I have for you today. If you like my video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share my video, and if you're a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.